friends, welcome to Super Duper Kitchen. Today we are going to see a muffin recipe. It is a savory muffins made with wheat flour and it is called as corn muffins. It is so easy to make and you can have it for your breakfast or as a evening tea time snack as well. It's very healthy. So to make this, take a bowl and add 1 cup of wheat flour. You can take any wheat flour of your choice and 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda and required amount of salt for this recipe. So these are some of the dry ingredients. Along with this, we will also be adding chili powder or chili flakes. Then 1 teaspoon mixed Italian herbs. You can also add more if you like it. And 1 tablespoon tomato sauce or ketchup. Then 1/3 cup of finely chopped onion, quarter cup of corn kernels and 4 tablespoon curd. So here I have added 2 tablespoon and later I will be adding remaining 2 tablespoon. Half a cup of milk. Mix everything together well, and if required you can also add some more milk, maybe 2 tablespoon more, and mix it well. It should neither be too thick or nor too thin. And then 2 tablespoon of oil. So we need just 2 tablespoon of oil, not more than that. And then the remaining 2 tablespoon of curd. So mix everything together well. The batter is almost ready. So it is a savory muffins. It is very soft and you can have it with a tomato ketchup or sauce or also with the tea. And finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Since it is made with wheat flour, it is also healthy and better than the ones we make with maida. Now take a muffin tray and grease it with oil. Then pour the batter into each hole and we will be filling only 3/4 of it. So fill everything and we'll get around 9 muffins in this quantity. For 1 cup of wheat flour, we will get 9 muffins. So we can also top it with cheese if required. So preheat the oven and then bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes. You will get a superb, wonderful muffin and you will get a very nice aroma when it is getting baked. So the muffins is almost ready. You can insert a toothpick and see if it is done. Then slightly allow it to cool and brush it with oil or milk so that it will appear glossy and smooth. So the top crust will not be hard. So gently remove the muffins from the mold and keep it on a tray. Now our whole wheat corn muffins is ready. So do try this recipe at home and serve your kids. See you all in another recipe. And if you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you want the recipes in Tamil, you can also visit my Tamil channel, Super Duper Kitchen Tamil. Thank you.